Easter is just around the corner, and if you're looking for the perfect gift for the adults in your life, you're in the right place. Whether it's a decorative touch for their home, a sweet treat, or something practical for their outdoor adventures, we've rounded up some elegant and thoughtful Easter gifts. Keep watching to find the perfect Easter present that will make them feel extra special. Start your Easter celebration with elegance. The Lenox Butterfly Meadow Egg Tray is a gorgeous porcelain piece, perfect for serving your Easter eggs, chocolates, or appetizers. Its delicate floral and butterfly design adds a touch of sophistication to any table setting. Keep in mind that it's best to hand wash only to preserve its beauty. Whether it's for a family gathering or a gift to a loved one, this egg tray is both functional and decorative. Want to add this beautiful tray to your collection? Check the description below for the link. What's Easter without some sweets? This Easter, Candy and Chocolate Platter offers an assortment of delicious treats, including milk, chocolate bunnies, chocolate carrots, and cookies and cream eggs. It's a perfect gift for anyone with a sweet tooth. And the kosher certification makes it a great choice for diverse audiences. Add a little sweetness to their Easter with this delightful platter that's perfect for sharing. Craving these sweet treats for your celebration? Click the description below to grab your platter now. For those who love outdoor adventures, the Igloo the Boss Playmate cooler is the ultimate companion. This durable cooler holds up to 14 quarts and is designed with a unique tent-shaped locking lid to prevent spills. The diamond plate exterior ensures it can withstand the elements, while the easy-access lid makes packing and retrieving snacks a breeze. Perfect for picnics, beach days, or outdoor activities, this cooler is both functional and stylish. Ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? Find the cooler in the description below. Bring some charm and whimsy into your home with these resin moss bunny figurines. Made from eco-friendly resin and coated in vibrant green moss, these bunnies are a perfect Easter decor piece. They're lightweight, durable, and water-resistant, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Place them on your Easter table or in your garden for a lovely seasonal touch that's easy to maintain and clean. Want these adorable bunnies for your home or garden? Check out the link in the description below. For those who love cooking with fresh ingredients, the Planters, Planter's Choice 9. Herb Indoor Window Garden Kit is an ideal gift. This kit comes with everything you need to grow 9 different herbs right in your kitchen or window. With easy-to-follow instructions and all the materials included, it's perfect for beginners or seasoned gardeners. It's not just a gift, it's a way to bring the joys of gardening and fresh cooking into any home. Want to start growing your own herbs at home? Click the description below for more details and to order. And there you have it, our top picks for elegant Easter gifts for adults. Whether you're shopping for someone who loves sweet treats, enjoys outdoor adventures, or appreciates beautiful home decor, these gifts are sure to make their Easter extra special. Don't forget to check the description below for more details and to find the perfect gift for your loved ones. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more amazing gift ideas. Happy Easter and happy gifting!